Hey friends, if you encounter DNS probe finished NX domain error on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Just stick to two solutions. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. It would say successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Because the issues with the DNS, do not try any other solution. After this, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Okay, this will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and select properties. Go to Internet Protocol version 4. If it's selected at obtain the following DNS server address automatically, select it as the second option. Type the preferred DNS server as 8.8.8.8. Type the alternative one as 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then click on OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.